Oh no. Oh shit. How is this happened? Huh? Who did this one, guys? Did you imagine some? The silly cat. You know? Oh shit. Look at that. It's a funny moment here. Huh? Oh yes. Lovely kitten. Is angry. What is oh shit. What you want to play with? Oh my god. That's cute. Nice one, guys. See? Oh, oh my god. Look at this. Huh? That's amazing. Funny one. Oh shit. Don't make any trouble, buddy. Huh? What are you doing here? Huh? What's wrong? Come on. Oh shit. Look at this. This is fantastic. Oh shit. Oh no. That's crazy. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Oh shit. Come on. Oh no, that's wrong. Ah, good job. Good job. You're doing something here. You're supporting, your teamwork. You want, what do you want? You want some food? What? Oh my god. Huh? What's wrong? What are you looking inside? Huh? What is this? छैन चौकीमा पुलिसलाई दिएको अहिले राति लिन जाने हो छिटो नबोलिकन पिट्छु मर्यो नि होइन Oh shit. Oh, what's wrong? I'm making trouble, buddy. What's going on? Cryma kharanla. Oh shit. Look at this. Oh no. Yes, you're doing a good job inside there. You're fixing something, some issue with your AC. We try to fixing. Yes, good job. Yes, you want alarm also. You lighting fixing. Great job. Excellent. Oh, what is this? Oh, you're making mad. Oh shit. Oh my god. That's a stupid kid. You're doing like this. Huh? A stupid kid. Oh shit. Oh no. Hey. What is that? Funny moment here. Try disturbing here. Oh shit. What is this? Oh my god. Hey. Oh shit. Oh no. What's crazy? Oh shit. Oh no. Oh shit. What happened, buddy? What happened? Oh no. Oh shit. What? Oh, look at that. Look at that. That's amazing. You want some food, you want prawns, you want fish. I love seafood. Yeah. This black cat is strong. His mouth is very sweet. Oh shit. What's wrong? Oh, you are very brave, You're taking a whole piece? That's amazing and crazy stuff here, guys. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh no. Hey, what is this? This is a hungry cat, Hey, stop. Huh? What are you doing? Oh shit. That's amazing. Funny, guys. Look at this. Oh shit. Oh no. Hey, buddy. What's wrong? Oh shit, how's it smell? Good? Bad? Oh no, that's too much. Oh shit, look at this. This bad smell. Oh, why you biting my leg? Huh? Do you love my legs? No. Do you love my socks? No. What's wrong with you? So guys, this amazing funny pets video. So how is it like this? Did you get any enjoy from this video? Do you love pets video? If you love this video, you can like, comment and share. If you are new in my videos, you can subscribe. You will be get notification for next another funny pets video. Guys, thank you for watching guys. See you soon.